Hey everyone. All right, so hey, I shot this video May 2022. It's currently July 2023, and my injectors on my '06 Ram 3500 blew out my diesel truck, and I took them out to try and clean them. So I was comparing Seafoam to WD-40 to gasoline and stuff like that. I don't remember if in the video I commented on gas, but I definitely commented on and used Seafoam to try to clean the injectors. And then I used WD-40, and it was amazing to see the night and day difference. I'm going to say Seafoam does not work. Yeah, and WD-40 does work. Anyway, keep watching. I just want to let you guys know, yeah, I shot the video, and then it sat in my computer for a while, over a year, and now here I am. All right, so definitely check out all the links to all my other videos, like, subscribe, share, and all that other stuff. Hey everyone, so I took my injectors out of my truck. And I did a lot of work on how to clean them and whatever and just fail. But I'm making this video about Seafoam. A lot of people post a lot of videos of how Seafoam works and how well it does. I think it doesn't. Yeah, I'm not bashing the product, but I am bashing the product. Here's why. Okay? Here's why. Flip the video. Here's one of my injectors from a 2006 Ram 3500 with 277,000 miles on it. This has been soaking in Seafoam for a week. And look at it. Look at it. Still encrusted. Things don't really fall off. Look at the Seafoam. It looks clean. Slightly tainted color, I think, but because it's in a Pepsi can. But it looks clean. To me, it should look dirtier. If I take a rag, there you go. If I take a rag, see if I could wipe this off, see how much comes off before and after. See? Yeah, not a lot comes off. So I don't know if that worked. I can't say if Seafoam worked. But now here's another thing. Here's another injector. Look at this one. This injector looks a lot cleaner. You know, focus camera? See? Looks a lot cleaner. I didn't even scrub this injector with a towel. What I did was I took an old pill bottle and I drilled it out to make it bigger for the injector to sit in, and I put WD-40 in there. No, wait, Punk Buster. I put Punk Buster in there. And I let it sit in there for about a few days. And look at that color. Look, you could actually see dirt and stuff down inside there. So to me, look at that. See that color? The lubricant, the Punk Buster, did a better job at breaking stuff up. See that? And cleaning out this injector than Seafoam. So let's understand it, you know? How does it work? You see all those videos of those people, you know, they put Seafoam in their oil. They change their oil with clean oil. They put Seafoam in their oil. They let the truck run for 30 minutes. Then the oil comes out black. They think it's magic and it's working magically. And then they drain it and they put new oil in. I call BS. Here's why. On my truck, I just did an oil change. I did. And within 10 miles, my injectors blew out. How did I know? The engine kept running and revving higher and stuff like that. So I took it apart, took my injectors out. The engine was dirty and black, even though I just changed my oil. And the new oil I did, I checked the dipstick, it comes out clean. Because there's residual, there's residue, there's leftover oil in your engine, in your motor. You know, so think about it. You change your oil, you put in clean oil. You check the dipstick. That clean oil has been sitting in the oil pan. You pour Seafoam in, you drive your vehicle for 50 to 100 miles, it comes out black. It then has a chance to mix with the residual leftover dirty black oil that's in there. Now, if you change your oil, no Seafoam, you do the same thing, drive 50 to 100 miles, and then you check it and change it, it's going to be black. My proof is my engine. I'm going to show that to you. Here we go. My new injectors came in and I'm getting ready to put them in. So here we go. Look at this. Let's get this off with one hand. I don't think I can get this off with one hand. Ah, shit. Yep, shit balls. Come on out, buddy. Come on out. Here we go. This is my engine. See? All the black, dirty oil still sitting in there that is never drained. It is never drained. When you're doing a oil change, I gotta pull out that zip tie. See that? Look at this. See this? Look at how dirty this is. So I don't know if Seafoam works. I don't know. I can't say that it does or doesn't. I do use diesel clean. I saw people saying use Seafoam to clean out the injector spray nozzles and stuff like that while driving. I don't know. I watched this other video. This other guy said to clean the Cummins injectors, soak them in camp fuel, lantern fuel, because there's some kind of additive in the camp fuel that breaks up better than Seafoam. And even he said he tried Seafoam and it didn't seem to do well. So hate me all you want, guys. You know, comment, share, show me proof that you guys think Seafoam is working. To me, soaking my injectors for a week and not seeing anything compared to soaking them in Punk Buster, that's amazing. I'm not going to say pour Punk Buster into your oil in your engine to clean your shit out. No. But if you take apart your engine like I just did and take your injectors out like I just did, and you have to clean your injectors manually like I was trying to do, I don't think Seafoam's going to do it. Putting Seafoam in your oil to clean out your oil in your engine casing, I don't think it's going to do it. You see all the leftover oil that's in there that's black and dirty and just disgusting, even after a brand new oil change. So I'm going to take a turkey baster and try to get as much of this crap out. All right, anyway, I'm going to go to installing my injectors now. Good having you guys around again. Oh, comment, like, subscribe, share. Let me know if you guys want to see anything. Call me out on my BS. Shh.